today's quick tip. Today we had a blizzard, and so after I got my accounting done, I thought I would do something fun for Stanley. So I made him a new mental enrichment activity map. So this is it. He's never seen it before. He's never used it. So again, this could either go really well or it could go epically bad, but I thought I'd share it with you. So come here, take a peek, and I'll show you how I'm stuffing it. All right, so here we've got some pockets. I've got a variety of treats here. So I'm going to stick a couple treats there, a couple here, one under there. Again, same thing here. These over here. Pocket. This is a double pocket, so it goes there, that nugget there. Crunchy cookie, if your dog likes them. Stanley probably won't eat them, but some of your dogs might. Again, this is a supervision toy, right? Don't leave it with your dog for them to just chew it up. Down here in the fringe, there's like, we're just hiding them in the fringe. And again, you can make this as hard or as easy as you want based on how hard you hide it, the size of the treats that you use, etc. I'm just looking for something new and different for the big guy. Okay, Stanley, find it. Go on, Stanley. So this is a prototype, guys. I'm going to test this and see how Stanley does with it. And there may be some design based on how well this works for him. But this is hopefully something that I'll be able to offer to you guys sooner rather than later. If this is a toy that you would be interested in having in your household, I'm thinking I might take them on a special order basis. This would do better on the carpet, but I was afraid that you wouldn't be able to see it. I have dark brown carpet, and the hardwood makes it a little bit easier to see, although it does slide around. So again, this is a prototype. So the final product will hopefully be a little bit better, but I just thought I'd share with you guys what we do over here in the Skiba household when it's a a blizzard and we're stuck in the house, and even Stanley doesn't want to go outside because it's so windy. So we'll find it. Did you give up? Stanley, what's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Don't give up. Right in here. What's in there? What's in there? There you go. He must have got a good, yeah, I think he got a big treat on that one. Come on, what's in here? Look, Stanley, right here. Oh, you get the big one out of there, huh? Good job. What's in here? Wow, surprise is a surprise. You ate that cookie. I'm usually the one that eats most of those cookies. Well, I know that one's hard, right? Because it's facing the other direction. You got to come in from this side. What's in there? Oh, it's in here. Stanley, it's in there. Oh, good job. Stanley. Right there. Oh, there you go. Good job. So again, he's still figuring this out, right? He's never had anything like this, so it's okay to help him. Oh, good job, Stanley. And remember, when it comes to mental enrichment, it's very fatiguing, so even, 7 to 10 minutes of playing with a mat like this is about equivalent to a 30-minute walk outside as far as brain work goes. So if you can refill this a couple of times, it's a great way to burn off energy when nobody wants to go outside in blizzard conditions. So have a great evening. I hope you're all safe and warm, and we'll catch you next time for the next quick tip. Bye, guys.